brothers and sisters. I'm doing this dream. I was sitting there meditating upon the things of the Lord, and a crow. I heard a cat scream out in pain, and a crow started to call. And he did it in number sequences of 3, 3, 3 times, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2. And then he did it again. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4s, and sets of 2. And I believe the Lord is speaking to me, and he says, even the birds are getting ready. Even the birds are glorifying me. Even the birds are getting ready for the judgment. 1, 2, 3. Even the birds are getting ready for his judgment that's coming, and the coming rapture, and the judgment that's coming. 2. It says in the Bible that they have a mission. And what is a crow? It's irritating, right? You plant the corn and the wheat in the fields, and what does the crow do? It comes and picks away at it. 1, 2, 3. It comes and picks